In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your scheduling link, reminders, and reschedule emails with Calendly 5 minutes. Start by signing in to Calendly and heading to your scheduling homepage. Hover over the event type you want to share. This could be a 15-minute intro call or any custom event you've set up, and select Share Availability. This opens Calendly's email composer with your unique booking link already inserted into the message. That link leads invitees straight to the booking page for the event you chose, using your current availability and time zone settings. In the composer, add your recipients, and if needed, CC or BC a teammate for visibility. Personalize the message so people know what the meeting is about and why you're inviting them. A short line like, "Choose a time that works for you," keeps it clear. If you'd rather share the link elsewhere, you can also copy it directly from the scheduling page and paste it into any email client, a social post, a chat message, or your website. This is perfect if you're sending the link frequently or embedding it in templates. While you're in the composer, look for the option labeled Send Reminder if they haven't scheduled in. Check that box and choose a time frame of 1, 3, or 7 days. Calendly will automatically send a follow-up only if the person hasn't booked by then, and it won't send the reminder if they schedule beforehand. This keeps your outreach gentle but effective, without creating duplicate emails. Next, let's enable rescheduling links so invitees can make changes themselves. From Scheduling, select your event type and click the 3 dots to edit. Go to More Options, then Open Notifications and Workflows. Under Basic Notifications, find the confirmation email or calendar invitation and click the 3 dots to edit that notification. Scroll to the bottom and check Include Cancel and Reschedule links in email invitations and reminders. Save and close to apply your changes. From now on, your confirmation and reminder emails will include clear cancel and reschedule links, which means fewer back and forth messages and cleaner calendars for everyone. A couple of quick tips before you send. Keep your subject line specific, double check your time zone and availability, and consider sending yourself a test to see exactly what your recipients will experience. That's it. You've shared your scheduling link, set automatic reminders, and enabled cancel and reschedule options, all with built-in tools that keep your scheduling process smooth and professional.